Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to cook or prep sweet peppers, chicken livers. So we have fresh sweet peppers, onions, salt and black pepper, our livers, and then red pepper crust, and then garlic, because I ran out of fresh garlic, so we can use the powder one. First, we're gonna drop our onions, and we're going to saute. It's not really hot yet. Next, we're gonna drop our liver. This is a very easy recipe and it's really good. Then we're gonna add black pepper and salt. Then garlic powder. I preferred fresh, but I'm running out of fresh garlic. Then we're gonna add the red pepper crush. I want spicy. So we're gonna allow to cook this for 5 minutes, and then we add the last ingredients. We don't add any liquid, guys. I like to cook from their own juice, from vegetables, with the sweet peppers, and from the liver. Okay guys, so this is done. We cook it for 15 minutes. It's really critical that you cook your chicken livers really well. Okay, so next we're gonna add our sweet peppers. Okay, and I've mentioned that we don't add any liquid with this recipe. Yes, we do not add any liquid. We allow the chicken livers and the fresh vegetables to produce their own liquid. Okay, this is really delicious. This is spicy. And the sweet peppers, by the way, I harvested this from my garden, the last harvest. So, okay, we're gonna have to cook this for a minute. Next, we're gonna add our green onions. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, so this is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour it to the plate. There we go. Sweet peppers, chicken livers. This is a very simple recipe and it's delicious, kind of a sweet, because the peppers does bring the sweetness of our livers. So thank you so much guys.